Hi everyone, so it's an exciting day today. I just at the auction yard, I bought a Towable Backhoe. So I'm just heading to pick it up right now. It's at the seller's yard. It's not at the auction yard. So I paid for it at the auction yard. Now I'm just heading to pick it up. So yeah, you can come on the trip with us to pick it up. Just almost at the house here. We're just heading down the back road almost to the guy's place where we're going to pick it up. So that's good. Alright, we're just here at the brake check on the top of the Dunvegan Hill. I'm just checking the straps. Alright, and let's continue on. Alright, we're just going up the Dunvegan Hill. I got the excavator on the back. I'm just in a slow lane, going slow, so I don't have any issues. Alright, so I got the trommel home. I got it parked in the back here. I'm going to put a 180 ink sticker on it. Hello everyone, I'm just heading to trommel. I'm going to bring the trommel to the mechanic, and having some problems with the carburetor. I couldn't get I took the carburetor off my pressure washer yesterday, but I still can't get it to start. So I'm just I got the pressure washer's carburetor on here, but I still haven't been able to get it to start at all. But the carburetor, the pressure washer ran with this carburetor, so I'm going to I'm going to see if we can figure it out and get it running, because I need to get it off this trailer, because I got to use this trailer for some other work, but I can't get it off because I got to lift that boom. Well, I got to lift the back end of the excavator up so I can roll it off. But I gotta lift that boom first, so I'm just gonna hook it onto the truck and we'll go figure it out from there. Just gonna strap these back on. Alright, so I'm just back at the auction yard here. I couldn't get the engine going, so I brought it to the mechanic to see if we could figure it out, and we haven't quite figured out what's wrong with it yet. So I think I'm just going to put the trommel engine or not the trommel engine, the pressure washer engine on the trommel, or not the trommel, the backhoe, and then we can figure out this other engine later. But I'm back at the auction yard because we were trying to get the backhoe off of the trailer, and three of us were trying to lift it off, but I figured someone was just going to get hurt, so I'm just going to bring it back to the auction yard here, because the guy at the guy's place we bought it from, picked it up from, had the tractor he loaded it on the trailer is, and it's just gonna have some. Back at the auction yard, they got a skid steer here. I'm just gonna see if they can lift it off for me. Got it all set up in the driveway with the replacement engine. Just have a few more things to do on it. I got to make a set of legs for the back, and possibly a set of legs for the front to replace the tires. I have to replace that oil filter. I got to build some kind of guard / screen on the front to protect myself from any punctured hydraulic lines. You don't want that to spray on you. Alright everyone, I'm just making these outriggers for the backhoe. It didn't come with any, so I have to make them. So I'm just doing this so I can put the pins in to get different levels. And then I got to cut the ends at a 45 degrees, and I got to weld a plate for a foot on the end of each one. I'm just using automatic transmission fluid for cutting fluid here. This is how you have to work when you don't have a shop or any fancy tools. Alright, I'm just prepping the trailer here. This is the trailer I'm going to be hauling everything down to BC in. So I'm just welding some hooks on the side so I can strap everything down. I had to, all the wood on either side here was rotten, so I had to take that out and I'm going to put some new boards in there. So I have these nails I'm going to try to get down in. Alright, so I'm just putting some boards in here, and I'm welding these guys on here. Not the best welder out there, but I'm trying to learn. But they seem to be staying on anyway. Well, hopefully they'll be fine. So I gotta take these boards, cut them to fit, and kind of just get them placed in here. I'm just using some boards I have. I'm gonna have to go pick up some more boards. Alright, just getting the backhoe ready. I'm gonna go test it out in a little bit here. Alright, I'm just heading out to grab the backhoe. I got the trailer, I got all these hooks welded onto it. I got some new boards put in there.